Predators who go into people's houses for their job. What is the strangest / creepiest thing you've ever seen or experienced? 1. I'm a pool guy. I go into people's backyards to clean